Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Look, we've all seen it. Those aesthetic little inhalers popping up all over social media. This is the MyMyde Herbal Diffuser, and it is the latest viral sensation promising to fix everything from stress to energy slumps. It looks and feels suspiciously like a vape, but they swear it is totally different. It is just herbs. The big question we need to answer today is whether this is a genuinely healthy inhaler that supports your wellness goals or if it's just TikTok hype disguised as a medical device. MyMyde's core promise is that it delivers the benefits of aromatherapy in a highly convenient, portable format. They are specifically marketing this as a nicotine free, tobacco free alternative to vaping and smoking. They claim the contents are purely derived from natural plant extracts, things like peppermint, lavender, or chamomile, depending on the blend you choose. For example, their focus blend might feature peppermint and menthol for that clear, invigorating feeling. The idea is that inhaling these concentrated essential oils directly hits your olfactory system, immediately affecting the parts of your brain that control mood and memory. The delivery is rapid, providing that instant hit of calm or focus. This is arguably their biggest selling point, providing a satisfying hand to mouth habit replacement without any addictive substances. It addresses the ritualistic behavior often associated with smoking or vaping. First, let's clarify what this is not. It is not a vape. True vapes heat a liquid, often containing nicotine, into an aerosol, which is then inhaled. The MyMyde is a diffuser or an aromatic inhaler. It uses subtle heat or simply airflow to deliver the aromatic compounds in vapor form, but there is no combustion and no nicotine. The mechanism of action is purely aromatherapy. When you inhale the peppermint, your brain is getting the same signal it would from smelling peppermint oil on a cotton ball. But it is much more intense and satisfying due to the concentrated delivery. The hit is strong, cooling, and provides a decent lung sensation thanks to the menthol, which is what satisfies the physical craving for that feeling, the throat hit that former smokers or vapors look for. It does deliver on the feeling of momentary clarity or calm, entirely based on the essential oil blend you choose. Here's where we tackle the healthy claim. Is it healthy? Compared to nicotine vapes, tobacco, or even energy drinks, yes. This is a significantly healthier choice. You're consuming plant derived compounds, not harmful chemicals or addictive substances. However, you are still inhaling concentrated substances deep into your lungs. Essential oils are potent. These products are not regulated by the FDA. This means there is no independent confirmation of purity, long term lung effects, or even whether the ingredients listed on the package are perfectly accurate. While the ingredients are generally recognized as safe for smelling or diffusing into the air, inhaling them directly in concentrated form is a different story, and the long term data is sparse. And for the other catch, price. You are paying a high premium for the convenience and the sleek packaging. A simple bottle of essential oil and a cotton ball is infinitely cheaper, but obviously, it doesn't solve the habit replacement issue. My final verdict is that the MyMyde Herbal Diffuser is a piece of legitimate technology wrapped in TikTok hype. It is hyped up as a magic solution for focus and stress. It is not magic, it is basic aromatherapy delivered efficiently. It is a powerful and effective tool specifically for people who are trying to break a physical or oral fixation habit, like vaping, smoking, or snacking. It provides a clean, safe substitute for that hand to mouth action and lung sensation. If you have no underlying habit, you're better off with a cheaper diffuser. But if you're trying to quit a habit, this could be the game changer you need. Have you tried a MyMyde or any other herbal inhaler? Did it help you kick a habit? Or did you find it was just a novelty?